For the mail merge tool, we're going to take a CSV file. Now this CSV file can come from really any source, but infofree.com or infousa.com are services that assemble lists and sell those commercially. I know there's scraper software tools, but in any case, we want to get the address, the name, address, phone number, and email address is really kind of all we need at this point. We upload the file, and it's going to take the first row, and we can match the field that's in the file with the field that we're going to merge into. And once we've set those, it'll try to detect those. Now the customized email, if you've ever worked with mail merge before, it basically is it lets you create an email text and then insert tags into that text that then get replaced with that business's actual information. So don't use this. This is just a sample to show you how you can use it, but you have to come up with your own language. And then we pick the organization we're going to import it into, and then we get this list. This is just a list of all of the leads that were in the file, so it could be several hundred or however big your file is. And when we click Launch Email, if you can see in the bottom here, address bar, what it's making, it's basically creating an email message. Now this is just going to launch in your mail client, or if you're or it could be Gmail on the web. I've tested it with Gmail, and it's just, and the idea is that it's going to substitute all those tags, and then it's going to pop open a new email in your Compose window that's already going to have the text with the business's information. So you can even customize it further, or just hit send. And this has to go out through your personal email. There's no service. I'm not providing a service through 25 Coupons that will do this, because this is a personal email between you and the business owner, and we can't have 25 Coupons be sending potentially unsolicited email. So anything you send through the 25 Coupons mail system needs to be some type of business that you have an established business relationship with, or a patron, a resident that's opted in through your directory page. So if we go over here, we can create a prospect or a client. The only difference between those two, a prospect does not have an account login. A client does have an account login. So it's up to you, but I would say in most of the cases here, you're just going to create a prospect. Okay, so what this does is it opens up a new window. You still have your old one behind it, so it might be open up a new tab for you. And it's going to have the information of the business, whatever fields you picked, it's going to pre-fill out those fields. Okay, so it saves you time for having to type it in. And we can choose basic. So a basic listing means it's not clickable in the directory, and so I'll show you that real quick. If we click on a category of restaurants, let's say, okay, here's one that's not clickable. Happy Burger. It's just the address and phone number. Okay, so any business that, we're just displaying public information here, but any business that we want to have clickable, of course, we would hope that every business would want their listing to be clickable here. So when you make it a basic listing, that means it's not clickable, and it's like this, or a premium listing. So the basic listing, you just get their address fields. You can copy from above, it fills it out. You pick their category, and then you hit save, and you're done. And then now you've got that directory listing. If you choose premium, then you get some additional information. You get Facebook page URL, their business email. You can list their business email address, their website, and then the description, and you get full access here. You can do, HTML editor, or if you just want to, have full control over the HTML, you can put in, whatever you like here. YouTube videos. You can upload a directory photo, which you saw. the directory photo is going to go there. So I'll go back to the pizza parlor one. You can see the email address. The business description is what goes here. The next thing would be their ad, which I'll show you that next. There's what we call a standing offer, and the standing offer is just, like an oil change business might have a standing offer of, full service oil. The regular price might be $32.95, but their standing offer is just their regular coupon that they do all the time. That's like $27.95. Okay, whatever the business decides to do, and I've got a little description here. So you can have a text-based ad. So you can do like a photo, like a logo, and I'll show you. The text-based one would be like this, where it's just you got your photo here and then your text. Or an image-based one would be like this, where it's an actual image, a designed ad. And this is a perfect case where if they're running a print ad with you, just use the same ad that they've run, that you just created for them, because I'm sure it looks really nice and great. So you can upload the image. The teaser is basically like, I've got an example here: buy one pizza, get one free. It's just this is used in the email. So when the visitor opts in here, the first thing they get is going to be an email that's going to have teaser, business name, teaser, link, business name, teaser, link, and it's just going to show all the offers so that they can click on each one. And so the teaser is just a text format of way of showing what the offer is. And of course, this is just an additional element, follow-up reminder, where we can set the date and time, and that just will go on our dashboard page, where you can see, the dashboard page where you can see here at a glance. So now that we've built up our directory, you may want to offer standing. What I would probably recommend would be try to get the premium listings for free, as many premium listings as you can for free. The premium listings will go under the categories, whereas, so like in restaurants, we don't see Happy Burger here, which was the not clickable, because we don't really need to show that here. Only the clickable listings are going to show up under each thing. So we want as many clickable listings as we can. And then when you want, then you could offer the standing offers, which are going to go here and down the side. So it just randomizes them, and we just show here two here just as a nice little ad space here, and then the rest of them are going to go down the side. And that's what you would probably want to charge a premium for as part of your package. It's entirely up to you. You can price this, you can do those free, it's all up to you. Those are just suggestions as to different ways you might want to do that.